Hi Filmora creators, welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. I have created this music video in the Wondershare Filmora mobile app. There is a Filmora Music Challenge 2025 happening in the Filmora Creator Hub, with the hashtag Feel the Beat with Filmora. The activity period is January 24th to February 28th. You need to create a 15 seconds plus music themed video with Filmora, and share on social media, with the hashtag. Then, submit the video link here. The winners will get prizes like Amazon gift card, annual Filmora membership, AI credits, etc. Let me show you how to create music videos in the Filmora app. There are numerous ready-made templates you can use to create the videos.
I just tapped a big bag of that gelato. I'ma go and let it flow like water. Water. Let it flow like water. Oh, when it's about that
time. There are beautiful effects, filters and transitions available for you to create your music videos. Now click Explore, then in the Templates menu, open the Beat library. These are just perfect for music videos.
always something up my sleeve, so when I just copped a big bag.
Wait a minute, who are you?
Select the media from your phone, import them to the project. If you need to select the part of the video you want to use in the music video, you can do that by using the Video Edit option. You can also adjust the original video volume. If you want, replace the clip as well. Now, the video is ready to be exported. Click Project Edit if you want to edit the project further, like adding titles, effects, or transitions. Then, export. Upload to social media with the hashtag Feel the Beat with Filmora. Participate in the music challenge, and win away the prizes. Thanks for watching Tube Media Tutorials.